if you get this template, the first thing you need to do is to come to this place where it says Content Dashboard Pro. Change this title and put your own title. From there, you will have a quick walkthrough of this template because it is very easy to use. It is not complicated, but it is yet powerful as well. So on the left hand side, you see here this box area where it says Home, and you have here also it says Time Commands. On the time commands, you have New Session, End Session. Now let's say if you click this button, something will happen here, and if you click this End Session, something will also happen around this End Time tab. So from there we have the quick capture. After the quick capture, below quick capture you have the menu. From the menu, below menu, you have here also YouTube prompts. This prompts is only for YouTube, but if you want, you can tweak these prompts and use it on other social platforms as well. Now let us start here where it says time commands. Now let us click this button where it says New Session. When you click here, you see it says content, and the time here it appears automatically. Now we have to choose which platform are we working on right now. We are going to work on YouTube platform, so make sure that you track the time you spent on your this Notion template, because it's very important. Time is very important, so one has to use it wisely. So you click here and you choose the platform that you are working on right now. For example, this is an example. I choose YouTube. Now here you see where it says quick capture. Here you can add a new content idea, a tags, new resources, or a note. So it is very easy. When you click this button here, you can able to add a new content idea. When you add that new content idea, it will automatically appear here. You see, these are the ideas that I have added. I have added an Instagram content idea and a YouTube as well, you see. So if you want to add a new resources, when you add it, automatically it will come to this place. In ideas inbox, the resources will come here, and the tags also will come here. If you add a new tags, automatically it will come here. Then when you work it and you change the status, it will change the status to another place. I hope you get my point. Now below that you have the social platforms. Below the social platform I have added 6 social platforms. If you can see them, they are here. Just pay attention. So let's say let us open one of these. I'm going to open YouTube. From there you see here YouTube, the type is video, because on YouTube we are not posting anything, it is video, right? So the cover, it is the cover of it, that is this icon. Okay, so from there you will have here how many followers do you have, or how many subscribers do you have. You have to come here and you type it here. For example, you have 1000 subscribers. You see, don't touch this place where it says followers level. Don't do anything here. There's a formula here. Don't mess up with this. If you mess up with this, it will not work properly. So you only come here where it says followers, but followers level, do not do anything with it. Just type here 1000, then everything will come as it should be. So from there you have to come below here. You see YouTube, all the content that you have, they are on the YouTube, they are here, they are all organized. These are the idea, the planned content, in progress, and yet you don't publish any YouTube video right now. So for example, let's say like you want to work on a content right now, or let's say this idea, let us open this. It is on the YouTube contents. Let you open it. For example, this YouTube content, it is a video title. Pay attention. Now under which platform does this belong to? You know, it is on YouTube. From there you have to add a thumbnail. If it is Instagram or TikTok, you don't need to add a thumbnail here, but if it is YouTube, you see I added a thumbnail. You see, this is the thumbnail that I added. You see, now the priority of this video title that you are working on, how high is it? Now you come here and you select. For me, I have to choose it maybe medium. Here it is okay. Now the video URL, I already put the URL, but if you know that you are working on the video and you don't publish yet to YouTube, you don't need to put any URL. But later on, when you publish the video, you can come here and then you put the URL. Please just focus. It is very simple to understand. Grab a cup of coffee and relax. Just relax. Everything is easy. I'll explain in a way that you'll understand. Now, after that, you see this button where it says YouTube details. When you click this button, this red one will appear here. So, because we are working on a YouTube video, if it is, by the way, if it is a TikTok or Instagram, you don't need to click this button. This button, you need to click it only if you are working on contents that are related to YouTube only. So when you click this button here, you have these details here. You have to put the video hook. For example, here, you have to put the video hook. You see this is an example that I put there. And you put the video backup titles here, you see. And you put the video thumbnail, you see. And the backup thumbnail here as well. 2 to 3 backup thumbnails here. Let's say the one you publish with the video, that thumbnail is not performing well, you can change that thumbnail and put another thumbnail. That's why you need to create at least 3 thumbnails as backup. I hope that point is clear. Now from there you can have all this information as well, the video tags, hashtag, the video resources, the video script, and the video short related to this video. You understand? So from there, content tags, meaning this title that you are seeing here, the tags that you have to do in order to complete all of this. You have here content tags. It says get a hook. Now let's say you are done with this where it says get a hook. When you check here this box, you see here, pay attention, there is a box here where it says completed. When you check this box, this status bar, let's say here, this status bar, it will change. The progress bar will change. Now right now it is on 50%. Now let us check this box. But remember, there's one task that is completed. You see, create shorts. This task is completed. That's why it is checked on. Now when you come to here where it says list, you see create a video hook. It is not completed. Now when you check this complete, you see this progress bar here, it is 100%. Now if you want to create extra tags related to this video, now what are you going to do? You have to come to here, content tags again, and you click this where it's a new page, click it. Then from there, let's say create title. So you see, you say create title. For example, when you said create title, then let's say you are done with that, you can add a date as well. For example, let me say today's date. Then from there, when you check it, now you see when I add a new tax, it is 66.67%. Now when I complete here, come here and I complete, it will be 100%. You understand? It will be 100%. Now when you come back again, let us close here, close. You see this progress bar, you have the followers 1000. I show you how to add that one. Now when you open this one again, let's say this video that we are working on, it is done right now. Now you come to this place and you change the status from idea to publish. For example, now you see here where it says YouTube, meaning under this, let me go back again, meaning under YouTube we have completed only one video that is already published. You see this video is planned, this video is in progress, but this one is published. On the idea, that idea, there's nothing on the idea now. We have published this video. That is why the progress bar here is changed to 33%. You see how it works. So that is how it works. Now let's go a bit again. I hope you understand this social platform, how it works. Let's come to where it says content status. Now here where it says YouTube content, here only videos of YouTube will appear here. Only the content that is related to YouTube will appear here. You see, with their thumbnails, they will appear here. Now here, content status, all the content that you have either on Pinterest, on TikTok, on Instagram, all of them will appear here. The idea, plan, in progress, and completed. You see, you have X, TikTok, YouTube, Pinterest, YouTube again. So all of this content will appear here. Now here you have this schedule, weekly schedule. You see, on Sunday we have to post content related to YouTube. On Monday content related to X, on Tuesday content related to TikTok, and so on and so forth. This is how it works. From there, content tags, you have, I think you understand that one. So all the tags, you see, all the tags that you work on, they are here. You see, they are all here, all the tags, and all the completed tags, they are also here. You see, create thumbnail. You see, do you remember we done this already? We have done this, and it is related to this video title where it says turn off these hidden settings, new YouTubers. You see, you have done this right away if you can remember. So these are the completed tags, all tags. These are the tags which are not completed, but this one are completed. From there, you come to here, content resources. Let's say you are working on this video title. Where is it? Content status. We have completed, we have completed this. We have completed this one, right? Now let's say you are working on this video and you have resources related to this video, so you can link it. Let me understand this video's title. Let's say like turn off this setting now. Now let's come back to where it says content resources, and I open it here. Okay, when I open it now, I will choose these resources. Which content is it connected to? Now I will click here. Now sorry, I made a mistake. Open this YouTube resources again. From there, you see here, when you hover your mouse over, you see here the minus sign and the plus sign. I have to unlink it. When I will unlink it now, I will click again. Now I will choose the YouTube video that we completed right now, which says turn off this hidden setting. Okay, this one. So that means we have added resources to this YouTube title.
It's 0:30.
So this video title, let us click it. It is already published. You see, it is already published. You see, it is already published. This is how you can add resources. This is how you can add resources. So it is not difficult to understand. From there, you have the notes also. Notes also is very important. Let's say you have many ideas also, or many notes or other things related to the content you are working on. You can come here. When you come here, you just put the title of the note that you are working on, and you choose the platform, and you choose the status of the note that you are working on. Either it is on idea, inbox, or final. Let us put it on draft. That means you are working on that note. Now you have to come to here. If this note is related to any content, then you come to this place and you add content. You see here, you add, these are all the content that you have, you add it. Or if you have tags related to this note, you come here and you add it. You see, this is how you can go about it. These are all the notes that you created. Now let us open these pages and we see just a quick one. You see content, all the content that you have. You see content, their status are here. You see, it is very easy. So let's say when you click here home, okay, whatsoever you work on, whatever you work on this one, it will appear on these pages, because all these pages, they have a preview over here. All of them, they have a preview over here. So whatsoever you work on this here, on this dashboard, it will appear on these pages. So do not need to confuse yourself. Everything is all the same. And platforms also, you see, they are here. These are the platform, you see, they are here. So when you click on YouTube, you see, did you remember this is the one that we completed? You see, on the idea section, it was here before. This one, it was on the idea section. So we have published this video right now. You see, it is very easy. So this is a dedicated page to social platforms, you understand. Now from there, let us click home. After that, everything is done right now. Now you come to this place where you said end session. When you click end session, you see the time has ended. You see, the time has ended. So it is very easy. If you find this video useful, please just try and support me and make sure that you share this template to other people or recommend people to buy it. Okay, thank you so much.